Have you ever dreamt of a perfect getaway to one of the world's most stunning coastlines? Imagine crystal clear waters, picturesque villages, and the taste of fresh seafood, all packed into an unforgettable 3-day adventure. Well, we've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate 3-day itinerary for the Amalfi Coast, a destination where beauty meets adventure. Welcome to Eurotrip Hacks, your ultimate guide to making every trip count. Ready to explore the Amalfi Coast? Let's get started. Day 1. Exploring Positano and Praiano. Number 1. Start your day in Positano. What's the first thing you picture when you think of Positano? Colorful houses cascading down cliffs to meet the sea. Start your adventure by strolling through Positano's iconic narrow streets, filled with boutiques selling handmade sandals, ceramics, and linen clothing. Every corner offers a new postcard-worthy view. Don't forget to snap plenty of photos. Positano is one of the most photogenic spots on the coast. Number 2. Relax at Spiaggia Grande. After exploring the town, it's time to unwind at Positano's main beach, Spiaggia Grande. Picture yourself soaking in the sun on the Pebble Beach or taking a dip in the crystal clear waters. Want some adventure? Rent a kayak or hop on a boat tour to discover hidden coves and secret grottos along the coastline. The views from the water will blow your mind. Number 3. Visit the Church of Santa Maria Assunta. As you make your way through Positano, don't miss the Church of Santa Maria Assunta. This beautiful church, with its stunning Majolica-tiled dome, is a true cultural gem. Step inside to admire the 13th century Byzantine icon of the Madonna. This stop is a perfect way to connect with Positano's rich history and religious heritage. Number 4. Enjoy lunch by the sea. Feeling hungry? Head to one of the many seaside restaurants for a meal you'll never forget. Fresh seafood is a must. Whether it's spaghetti alla vongole or grilled octopus, every bite tastes like the Mediterranean itself. Pair it with a crisp local wine, and your lunch will be just as unforgettable as the view. Number 5. End the day in Praiano. Looking for a peaceful escape? After lunch, head to Praiano, a quieter town just a short drive from Positano. Wander through its tranquil streets, and if you have time, stop by the Church of San Gennaro. As the day winds down, find a spot to watch the sun set over the sea. Praiano is famous for its breathtaking sunsets. Before we move on to Day 2, don't forget to visit our website, eurotriphacks.com, for more travel essentials, finding the best flights, or searching for unique trip ideas. So, visit now and start planning your dream trip today. Day 2. Discover Amalfi and Ravello. Number 6. Explore the town of Amalfi. Your second day begins in the lively town of Amalfi, the heart of the coast. Once a powerful maritime republic, Amalfi is now a bustling town filled with charm. Explore the piazza, where you'll find shops selling local crafts and, of course, limoncello, a refreshing lemon liqueur that's a must-try. Number 7. Visit the Duomo di Sant'Andrea. A trip to Amalfi isn't complete without visiting the Duomo di Sant'Andrea, a stunning cathedral perched above the town. The cathedral's architecture is a mix of styles, combining Arab Norman, Gothic, and Baroque influences. Climb the grand staircase to appreciate its intricate marble facade and step inside to view the impressive mosaics. Beneath the cathedral lies the crypt of St. Andrew, Amalfi's patron saint. Number 8. Tour lemon groves and sample limoncello. Amalfi is known for its lemons, big, fragrant, and growing on terraced hillsides. Take a tour of a local lemon grove and learn how these famous fruits are grown. After the tour, enjoy a refreshing limoncello tasting, a perfect midday treat that captures the essence of Amalfi in a glass. Number 9. Enjoy lunch in Amalfi. After your lemon grove adventure, treat yourself to a meal at a local trattoria. Whether you choose pizza, pasta, or more seafood, you'll enjoy fresh, local ingredients with every bite. Plus, with the vibrant atmosphere of Amalfi surrounding you, it's the ideal spot to relax and refuel. Number 10. Head to Ravello for stunning views. In the afternoon, travel up to Ravello, a hilltop town famous for its serene beauty and panoramic views of the coastline. Ravello's quiet charm makes it the perfect spot to unwind after a busy morning. Stroll through Villa Simbroni's lush gardens and take in the stunning vistas from the Terrace of Infinity. This is one view you'll never forget. Number 11. Visit Villa Ruffolo. End your day with a visit to Villa Ruffolo, an ancient villa with gardens that inspired artists for centuries. As you explore, you'll be treated to views of the Amalfi Coast that will leave you speechless. Villa Ruffalo is a true highlight of Ravello and the perfect way to wrap up your day. Day 3. Positano to Sorrento and a Capri boat tour. Number 12. Drive the Amalfi Coast Road, SS 163. On your final day, prepare for one of the most scenic drives in the world, the famous SS 163. This coastal road winds along cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. Whether you're driving yourself or taking a private tour, be sure to stop at scenic viewpoints for photos you'll want to frame. Number 13. Visit Sorrento. Your next stop is the charming town of Sorrento. Stroll through the bustling Piazza Tasso, enjoy a coffee at a local cafe, and take in the views of the Bay of Naples. Sorrento is also a great place to grab lunch before your next adventure. Don't forget to toast your trip with a final glass of limoncello. Number 14. Take a boat tour to Capri. In the afternoon, hop on a boat and set sail for Capri, one of Italy's most glamorous islands. The views from the water are just as stunning as those from the shore, and you'll pass by the famous Faraglioni rock formations along the way. Capri is the perfect mix of luxury and natural beauty, making this boat tour a must-do. Number 15. Explore Capri Town. Once you arrive in Capri, take some time to explore the town. The Piazzetta is the perfect spot to relax with a gelato or coffee while enjoying views of the sea. Capri is known for its upscale shopping, but even if you're window shopping, the island's atmosphere is an experience all on its own. Number 16. Visit the Blue Grotto. No trip to Capri is complete without a visit to the famous Blue Grotto. This sea cave glows with an electric blue light thanks to sunlight passing through an underwater cavity. Visiting by boat is the only way to experience this natural wonder. It's a magical experience that will leave you in awe. Number 17. Ride the chairlift to Monte Solaro. If time allows, take the chairlift up to Monte Solaro, the highest point on Capri. From here, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the entire island, the Amalfi Coast, and beyond. The peaceful ride up offers a perfect chance to reflect on your trip before you head back down to sea level. Number 18. Visit the Gardens of Augustus. Capri's Gardens of Augustus are a beautiful way to end your trip. Stroll through the gardens and enjoy views of the Faraglioni rocks and Via Krupp, one of Capri's most famous paths. The peaceful setting of the gardens offers a perfect moment of reflection before heading back to Positano. Number 19. Return to Positano for a final evening. As your trip comes to a close, return to Positano for one last evening. Enjoy a leisurely dinner at a cliffside restaurant, watching the sunset as you savor the flavors of the Amalfi Coast one last time. It's the perfect end to an unforgettable 3-day adventure. Number 20. Evening stroll in Positano. After dinner, take an evening stroll through the streets of Positano, now lit up with twinkling lights. As the waves gently lap against the shore and the moon reflects on the water, the town becomes even more magical at night. Walking along the beach or through the narrow streets at night will give you a sense of peace and fulfillment, perfectly closing your Amalfi Coast journey. As we wrap up this incredible journey along the Amalfi Coast, from the vibrant streets of Positano to the peaceful sunsets of Praiano and the unforgettable beauty of Capri, it's clear why this region captures the hearts of travelers worldwide. Don't forget to visit our blog at eurotriphacks.com for more travel ideas, tips, and essential resources to make your next trip unforgettable. And make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.